Finally figured out that chord. Hey everyone, Tony Winston here for Jazz Piano College. Going to do another tutorial on Alfie by Burt, Bacharach, one of the most beautiful songs ever written. And I had a request over on Patreon to just interpret the song from a lead sheet. So that's what I did. I got the lead sheet out of the real book. Now, when I want to learn a song and I have the lead sheet, one thing I like to do is listen to the best recording of it that I can find, and Dionne Warwick's version, of course, is the definitive and devastatingly beautiful arrangement of this song. You know, she must have sung this in the studio and with a live orchestra, and can you imagine the pressure? And she just nails it. It's so great. Anyway, she does it in the key of B flat, and the reason you want to listen to a recording is because lead sheets are always wrong. They're always wrong. There's either a wrong chord, wrong melody, or just details that are probably pretty important to the composer of the song that have been left out. So, you know, that's what a lead sheet is. It's just a sketch. It's not really the composition, fully formed. So let's go through the song, and I've made notes on the chart here as to, things that are not correct. So my corrected version will be down there in the description. So just click on it, print it out. And while you're down there, please leave a comment, because that's what the YouTube algorithm really likes. That'll support my channel a lot if you can do that. Thanks. All right, so we're not in Dionne Warwick's in B flat. We're in the key of C. And then we've got G7, sus4. So major seventh there, but make it a 6 chord here. And right here, it's not A7, it's A minor, and you can do a little thing like that to get to A minor. Here we have B7 with the flat 9. Okay, so there is an F sharp diminished 7th in there, but the bass plays a B, that makes it a B7th chord. See how you can put like D minor 7ths and F major 7ths. These are all the same chord. And then G7, put the 13 in right here, and the flat 13. I like to call it the flat 13. Some people call it G augmented, which is what the chart calls it. Now, once you've kind of got the song figured out, you can, if you're just playing it on piano, you can certainly do a lot to elaborate this thing. Do some drop 2 here. That's what I always used to do with my arrangement. But people love this song by Dionne Warwick, and the more you make it sound like that, the more they'll like it. Now here, we use the C on the bass because we're going to be. If we use that B7 again, it just wouldn't work, and I thought that's what it was for a while, but when I listened carefully, it is a C. And there's some little chromatic thing coming up in there, not that important. I believe that's the chord, and then we've got E flat over D. I wrote E flat major 7th, but I think the D is there anyway, so let's just play E flat triad over D, and then change it real quickly to like a suspended chord. Yeah, put those triplets in. Now this is a pedal tone, so just move these triads around. And of course you could do some stuff like, so over a pedal tone, you know, you've got a lot of freedom.
You got your freedoms.
Now, this would be a good part to build up the piano, maybe start small here. Just an F6 perhaps, and then the 7th. Build it up here maybe. And that's the beautiful sharp 11 chord. Went over this in one of my recent videos. Got a D 7th there, an E triad here, and in the recording, a little whole tone scale there. Then we come back in with D minor, then the G11, and our B7 again. Another long pause, and our C7, and make this kind of like an F6, maybe F minor 6 then, and then our dominant chord again, and this F chord with its minor 6 there helps us get back to the 1 chord there at the end. A lot you could do with this song. I think I'm going to add it to my practice list over there and work up a nice version of it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope to see you back again right here real soon.